yeah, so I just got my skin right. Skin was all fucked up, flared out from food allergies and peanuts and that lectithin shit. I was eating too much. What you call it? Oh, that feels so good. Tomatoes. My cat brought some sort of these little tiny little balls that sticks to him. So therefore the little splinters and stuff, Velcro, whatever the fuck that little tiny little grass green balls gets into my skin and fuck my skin up. I have allergies up like my ass right now. Get my thyroid. I'm about to have an Adam's apple. I'm about to spring some nuts. You know what I'm saying? Any of you ladies like to